ছি 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 রে সরকার ছি 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 রে সরকার ছি 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 আরে ছি 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 রে সরকার মোহন সরকার ছি 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 রে সরকার ছি রে মোহন ছি 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 ମାଇଚିକେ ତୁଇ ସୁରକ୍ଷା ଦେଲୁନି ମାଇଚିକେ ତୁଇ ସୁରକ୍ଷା ଦେଲୁନି ଝିଅକେ ତୁଇ ସୁରକ୍ଷା ଦେଲୁନି ଆଜି ହାଇ ସ୍କୁଲ ଲଗେ ଆଜି ହଷ୍ଟେଲ ଲଗେ ଆଜି ଗର୍ଭବତୀ କଲୁ ଛି 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 ରେ ସରକାର ଛି छी 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 रे सरकार ची ना के तुम्हारा मेरे को तो सस्पेंड किया 7 दिन मेरे को मारपीट किया मेरे को माँ बहन गाली दिया फिर मेरे को सस्पेंड किया आज भी कल उसका मिनिस्टर धमका दिया हमको हम लोग को कांग्रेस दल को धमकाया सुनिए देश स्वराज्य के लिए ब्रिटिशर्स जो लड़ते थे स्वराज्य के लिए उसको बहुत धमकाया बहुत जेल दिया और बहुत बुली मारा वो भारत देश का कब डरे नहीं स्वराज्य हुआ हम लोग डिमांड कर रहे हैं हमारा जो नेता भक्त चरण दास क्रांतिकारी नेता वो गांव घूमते हैं राज्य सारा घूमते हैं नारी सुरक्षा के लिए आज वो अंधा सरकार काला सरकार सुनते नहीं फिर धमकाते हैं तुम्हारा मेरे को तो सस्पेंड किया 7 दिन मेरे को मारपीट किया मेरे को माँ बहन गाली दिया फिर मेरे को सस्पेंड किया आज भी कल उसका मिनिस्टर धमका दिया हमको हम लोग को कांग्रेस दल को धमकाया तो हम लोग एक ही मिनती है उड़ीसा का चीफ मिनिस्टर मिनती है प्राइम मिनिस्टर इंटरवेंस करना चाहिए यहाँ का महिला सुरक्षित नहीं है यहाँ का स्टूडेंट छात्री सुरक्षित नहीं है गर्भवती होता है कोई सुसाइड करता है किसी को रेप करके मार देता है बिलो 17 इयर्स ऑल आर दी विक्टिम बिलो 17 इयर्स तो सरकार को देखना चाहिए हम लोग जो डिमांड करना हाउस कमेटी करा दीजिए क्या पैसा लगता है हाउस कमेटी करने के लिए इंक्वायरी करने के लिए क्या हाउस कमेटी इंक्वायरी करने के लिए तो पैसा लगता है ना मुख्यमंत्री का इज्जत जाता है हमारा डिमांड ये है तुम हाउस कमेटी करो तदंत करो बहुत बड़ा कठिन पनिशमेंट के लिए आइन लाओ
Today it's been almost 13 days we are protesting against the government and raising the voice for the house committee demand which we placed earlier so that the house committee can address the issues of the women of the state. You see, every day we hear something new, a new incident, a new tragedy, a new atrocity story, a new story about a crime against a woman. Yesterday we heard that a girl from Kandhamar, she was abducted from the bus and 4 men raped her and murdered her and her skeletons were found. So this sort of issues, every day a new story comes up and it is very painful. And it is very saddening for all of us that the state government is unable to efficiently address the issues and against all the atrocities against the women. See, you see, 14 days, almost 14 days, we have been protesting very peacefully and very constitutionally. We have not harassed anybody. But earlier, you saw that when our party senior leader, Sitara Vahinipati ji, when he was pleading with folded hands to the minister to stop his statement so that the house can adjourn and the issue of the women can be addressed in the house. At the same time, we saw the parliament affairs minister, Shri Mukesh Mahaling, who is responsible for the discipline and running of the house smoothly. He instigated and provoked his MLAs to come and beat us. He said, Maro. In Hindi, he said Maro, and he abused us. Then their senior leaders who held the collars of our party senior leader Sri Tara Vahinipati's collar and an unfair suspension decision was taken. They had misbehaved with us, but our MLA was suspended. Even yesterday, we heard that the government is afraid of our protest and is now threatening us that they are going to suspend all the 14 MLAs. So we need to understand how this government is respecting or regarding the democracy of the nation. Today the Congress party and the MLAs of the Congress party are protesting only so that the women of the state can be can live happily, their future will be secured, they'll live safely, they can roam around safely. So, among all these issues, this is the most important issue in the house, where it is concerned that the lady or the woman of any house, whether it is my sister, my mother, my wife, or my any female relative, whether that person is, the female is secured or not, it is the most important issue.